In this video, our technical analysis for the Bitcoin price has played out exactly as predicted. But right now, guys, the Bitcoin price is right now forming a bearish divergence, and the question is, are we going to go down even further, or are we going to get a massive support? Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. And before we start this video, gusto ko din ipaalam sa inyo guys na meron tayong Gab's Crypto 101 playlist. So if you want to learn all of the indicators na pinapakita ko sa inyo, as well as if you want to learn basic cryptocurrency trading from scratch, meron tayong tutorial videos, all of that for free. And all you have to do is just to type Gab's Crypto 101 on our search bar dito sa YouTube and then search for the Gab's Crypto 101 playlist. And as you can see, if kinilik nyo yan, makikita nyo dito lahat ng mga playlist natin regarding Crypto 101, lahat ng tutorial videos on how to trade, how to use different indicators, and as well as different strategies na you can apply with your day-to-day trading strategies. And this is not only for trading but also for investment. So if let's say you want to maximize all profitable things na pwede mo gawin with the crypto market, you can actually check out this Gab's Crypto 101 playlist by typing it in our search bar, or you can find this guys in the description down below. But anyway, now let's dive into the Bitcoin price action and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa ating video natin kapon, what you're monitoring was this falling channel or potential bull flag and or potential bull. If you're going to look at this in the 15-minute time frame, we are potentially forming a, yun nga, tinan nyo, we have this falling price action. At the same time, we are also potentially forming a pole. So in that case, that is a potential bull flag or bull pennant. So in that case, we can get the target by getting that. Then lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout. And look at what happened, guys. We have met our target exactly as predicted. So congratulations, guys, if you have traded that movement na sinasabi ko sa inyo. But the question is, what is next for the Bitcoin price action? So if you're going to look at this in the early time frame, look at this. Right now, we are also forming an increasing price, but the RSI is declining. So that is an indicator of a bearish trend reversal signal. So right now, I am actually leaning towards bearish right now for the very short term with the Bitcoin price action. Because look at this. This is a traditional signs of a bearish indicator. So right now, what are we going to expect with the Bitcoin price action? So in this case, I am actually expecting a bearish movement back to the previous support. So I think right now what I'm going to watch out for is this 31.3k area as a support. So if let's say hindi tayo magkaroon ng sell volume within the coming hours dito sa early time frame, ito, if wala tayong makitang sell volume, then I think we are more likely going to consolidate dito. But the moment na magkaroon tayo ng sell volume, then we can actually go down even lower up until the 31,000 US dollars siguro. So right now, that could be a potential shorting opportunity up until the 31,000 only if you're going to see a sell volume. So in this case, I might open a short position, place a stop loss just around the 32,000, and then take profit area around the 31,000 or siguro 30.9k. Kasi look at that. That could be a potential movement to the downside if ever na we see a sell volume. And as much as possible, always set a stop loss as well as a take profit area in your trading strategy. But right now, that is how I am going to trade this, especially this could be a potential movement to the downside. And right now, this could be a potential movement back to the support area. So in this case, ano ba yung magiging next movement after that movement? So right now, this is next thing na sabi ko is just more of a speculation. But I think ang pwede kasi dyan mangyari is if let's say bumalik siya dito, if let's say umakit si Bitcoin, di ba? Nagkaroon tayo ng breakout dito. Previously, we were actually waiting for a breakout sa resistance line na yan. And look at that, we actually saw a breakout but walang buy volume. So that is a 50-50 move for now. But if ever, let's say we are actually going to get a bounce dito, tapos we might actually see a movement to the upside. In that case, that could be a potential re-entry opportunity for a long position. So in that case, after I close my short position dito, I might open a long position and then set a stop loss just below, siguro around the 30.9k area. That is where I am going to set a new buy order if ever na mahit natin yung ating stop, yung ating take profit area for our short opportunity. So in that case, we are going to ride this long opportunity. And as much as possible, always set a stop loss just in case if ever na this breaks to the downside even further. Kahit papano, at least na-secure natin ating profits. So right now, that is what I am currently monitoring with the Bitcoin price action. And guys, if you want to trade this latest opportunity na sinasabi ko, you can trade this guys with Bybit. And as usual, if you want to claim bonus with Bybit, just use my sign up link na you can find in the description down below. And siguro meron din ako gusto ipakita sa inyo with the Bitcoin price action. If you're going to look at this, siguro, let's try to look at this in the Fibonacci retracement area. As you can see, if you're going to plot this previous high from our Fibonacci, so yung ating previous high and our lowest low, let's try to plot our current Fibonacci retracement area. So if you're going to look at this, meron na tayong nag-form na clear support area around this 30.9k area or around the 31,000 US dollars. Kasi look at this, previously, doon tayo nag-play within the Fibonacci retracement area ni Bitcoin. So previously, that support and resistance area acted as a very good support and resistance area. But right now, nung nagkaroon tayo ng breakout, as you can see, we might actually play within this next Fibonacci retracement area between the, siguro around the 30.9k up until the 32.5k. So in this case, I might expect a further consolidation within this area if wala tayong makitang buy volume. I think we might expect consolidation around the 30.9k up until the 32k. But in this case, yung sinabi natin strategy na kanina or yung sinabi nating trading opportunity, it's still pretty much confluent with what we have mentioned earlier dito. So right now, this Fibonacci retracement is aligning up with our analysis, with our early time frame analysis, especially na if ever na mag-short tayo dito, we might open a long position within the 30.9k, which is also a similar support area na ating Fibonacci retracement. So right now, that is what I am going to monitor with the Bitcoin price action, both in the early time frame as well as this Fibonacci retracement. Now, let's dive into the altcoin market kasi look at this. Bitcoin dominance is still increasing, so that is indicating na altcoins are still bleeding against Bitcoin. So in this case, altcoins are not yet good for trading. So in this, I don't think na maganda pa mag-trade na altcoins for the time being. So in this case, trade first with the Bitcoin price action than the altcoin market. So with that being said, let's give you a quick update with Ethereum. So as you can see, despite of the Bitcoin price going up further within the early time frame, let's try to look at this. Tingnan nyo sa early time frame. Si Bitcoin sa early ay umaakit pa siya lalo. Tingnan nyo, umakit pa siya lalo. But if you're going to look at the Bitcoin dominance is increasing, so that is going to indicate na altcoins are bleeding. In that case, hindi makakasabay yung pump ni Ethereum. So look at this. Unlike kay Bitcoin na umakyat, kay Ethereum, nag-move sideways lang siya. Nag-move sideways, tapos lalo siyang bumagsak. So as you can see, ayun yung effect ng Bitcoin dominance. So whenever na dominance is increasing, that would indicate na altcoins are going to bleed kasi more investors are moving their money or shifting their money and focus to the Bitcoin price action. So in this case, it's much better to trade Bitcoin for the time being. And siguro for the altcoin market, stay put lang muna tayo and balikan na lang natin siya whenever na we are in an altcoin season window. But for the time being na wala pa tayong altcoin season window, trade first with the Bitcoin price action. And yun nga guys, just you can trade this guys with Bybit if you want to claim bonus with Bybit. Just use my sign up link na you can find in the description down below. So ay muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.